Hi everyone, welcome back to Lone IT with Vengat. Today's video I am going to discuss you about how to create a smart room temperature monitoring system using Arduino in the environment of Tinkercad. We will see how. Log in into your Tinkercad account, and here we have a circuits and click create new circuit. So for this scenario I am in need of Arduino board first. So search Arduino board and put it inside your work area. And next I am in need of breadboard. So search for breadboard and choose the breadboard small and put it inside. And next I am in need of temperature sensor. So type temp. Here you will get a temperature sensor which is TMP36. Just click it and put it inside your breadboard like this. And this sensor is having three legs. One is power and volt and ground. So here I am going to give it the ground to negative, and this is power to positive, and changing the color of positive to red and negative ground to black. And this is the voltage out. This I have to give it to, take this I have to give it to the analog pin, let it be A0. Fine. And from this negative I'm going to take it and give it to the ground. And here I am going to make this color as black color. And for the positive I am going to give it to the 5 volt power and let it be in red color. Fine. So this is about the connections for this temperature sensor. So positive I have given to the 5 volt, and for voltage output this is going to be the input, so this I am giving it to the analog A0. And for this ground I connected here with negative slot, and from this negative slot I have given to the ground. Here I am in need of coding. So choose this blocks, choose text. This will ask you to confirm. Just click continue and just delete this code. We need a code here. This is temp36. So go to Google, type temperature sensor temp36 Arduino code, search for it. You will get this link. Just open this BC Robotics website, and here you have a code for this Arduino and the circuit design, everything here they have given. And if you move down here you will have a code. Copy this code and go back to your Tinkercad, and here just paste it. And here you can see A0, which is analog pin through which we have connected our temperature sensor voltage output, and this is a variable for reading the sensor value, and this is to convert that value into temperature. So 3 variables here, and this is a function for setup. So through serial port I have been connected with this Arduino, and this is the speed of your communication. And in the loop will iterate infinite number of times. So first I am getting the value from the analog pin A0. So analog read is the method through which I am getting the value from the sensor A0. And these statements used to convert that value into the temperature. So here I am converting that into double typecasting here, which is going to apply over this variable sensor input, and here I am converting that into bits, and here I am converting that into temperature, and here I am printing that variable current temperature followed by the temperature. Let's start the execution. So here power connected, and if you want to see the output, click the serial monitor. Here you can see it is started execution. Now I will minimize it, then you can see it easily. So now the temperature is 24. If you click this temperature sensor, here you will get a slider and you can move it, and here you can see the temperature changed. Here minus to maximum 124 degree. So like this you can change the temperature value. So now stop the simulation. Here I am going to add buzzer here we have a buzzer and put it here. This is positive leg and this is negative. So from the negative, give it to the minus and make it as black. And for this positive, I'm going to give it to 8th pin. So this is going to be 8th digital. Let it be red color. This is going to be the input pin. And go to the code. Here I am going to add a variable. So integer. So int. Let it be buzzer equal to the pin which I have connected for this input is 8. So here 8. And here I am going to set the pin mode buzzer comma, which is going to act as a output. So buzzer comma output. And inside the loop, so here I am going to check the condition. If temp, if it is greater than 50 degree, then I have to make digital write of buzzer comma high, then close it. Now else digital write of, if it is not greater than 50, if it is less than 50, then buzzer should be low. Close it off and again execute. Let me try if it is working or not. So now the temperature is 24. Click the temperature. Now increase it. Now you can hear the buzzer is on because the temperature is above 50, which is 79 now. And reduce slowly. And if it is less than 50, buzzer is off. And if it is greater than 50, then buzzer is on. So it is giving the alert. Stop the simulation. Next I am going to add RGB LED. So here I am going to add it. So it is having 4 legs. So first one is the red, cathode, blue and green. Cathode leg I am going to give it to the negative, and here I am going to use only 2 colors, red and green. This cathode leg I am going to change it into black color, and I am in need of 2 resistors, and in the red pin leg connect the resistor, and for the green leg slat connect the another resistor. Take the connection from red and here give it to 9 and change the color to red, and take the connection from green and give it to 10 and let it be in green color. Now click the code. Here I have added int red equal to, red is connected with pin number 9, so 9, and int green connected with pin number 10. So here I have initialized the pin number and just copy this pin mode and paste it 2 times. So pin mode here, red is going to be an output and green is going to be an output. Come down and here if it is greater than 50, digital write off. Why digital means these pins are digital, the bottom pins are analog pins. So digital write off, if it is greater than 50, red comma high, so the LED becomes red. Digital write off, green should be low. Copy these 2 statements and paste it here. Now here green has to high and red has to low. That's it. Here clear your monitor. Now you can start the simulation. So now the temperature is 24, no buzzer, and here LED is in green color, which is safe. And click the temperature and increase the temperature now. When it is above 50, buzzer is making sound here, and here LED is in red color. And if you reduce it, it will be green and no alarm. Just increase it again and check it. Okay. And here also we can add a LCD screen to display the temperature in that LCD. We will see it in the next video. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends. Subscribe this channel for getting more video updates. Bye bye.